Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener, and today I'm going to show you how you can service your 4-stroke petrol lawnmower. Today you will need an oily rag or an old tea towel like this for when you're checking your oil, and you will also need a socket that will fit your spark plug correctly. So firstly I'm going to show you how you can check your oil on your lawnmower. So you need to have it on a level surface or a fairly level surface. You should pull it out and you rub the old oil off, and there is some sort of gradings on here that show you where the oil level should be, and if it's not within these parts then you either need to empty some out or fill some more in. So we'll put this back in and pull it back out. And there's no oil in there. Now this could be because I'm on a bit of an angle, so if I was on flat land this would have oil in it, because I know this mower has got oil in it because I checked the oil yesterday. And now I'm going to show you how to do your air filter. So you, on this one, you press it down, pull it out, and here I have a paper filter, so you just check in between is all clean. You can blow it off a bit if you want, and you can replace these, depends how much you use your mower and how dusty your garden is, but it should be fine. So we'll put that back in. So you can take it off as well if you want to make it easier, because you can clean the airbox every now and then. But I'm just going to put this back in. And now for your spark plug. So this is the wire that comes from the coil that brings electricity to the spark plug to make a spark to ignite the fuel. So we're going to pull this off and tuck it away somehow, like that. And we need to get this spark plug socket, make sure it's ready to loosen. And you push it on. And you start taking it off, and then you should be able to do it with by hand, because it's quite loose. And then you pull it off eventually when you get to the end of the threads. Some threads are longer than others on the lawnmower spark plug. For example, mine are quite long. And then you look at it and check it. If it's really black over here, then you can either do it with a small brass wire brush, or you can replace the whole spark plug. I'm planning on replacing the spark plug every 2 years, and I've only had this mower for 1 year, so this is fine for now, and it's quite clean as well. And if it's an older tool, you can also put a bit of graphite pencil on there and on the middle part, and that will help get a better spark. So now we're going to put it back in and make sure that you get the threads right, otherwise if you misthread it then you could end up with a crack in your engine, which is not very good, because then you'd have to replace the whole engine. And now you just try and, that wasn't completely tight then. If you don't tighten it too much, because otherwise you can again strip the threads, which will be bad for your engine. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.